Breaking news. Mason Greenwood gives up on England recall and switches international allegiance. Join Premier 7 right now for the big chat. Sometimes a breakthrough comes after the biggest breakdown of your life. Hang in there. This is a popular quote that was written but speaks directly to the life of Mason Greenwood, the Olympic Marseille forward who has decided to switch his allegiance from England to represent Jamaica. Welcome to Premier 7, everyone. I am your host, Ryan Nelson. I hope that you all are having a fantastic day as all of the long waiting we can say is all over. People, if you're new to this amazing channel, please go ahead and subscribe. As you can see on the screen, Premier 7 has 1,695 subscribers. I would love to reach to 2,000 subscribers. And I believe that this Mason Greenwood video will surely be one that I wish and hope that you will help the channel to grow. Of course, if you are already a subscriber, then you know what to do. So, people, the topic of importance today is all about Mason Greenwood. Welcome to the Jamaica men's national team. I am going to bring on board the breaking news that was being shared and also not to pressure things, but to speak on the question Mason Greenwood, will he improve the Jamaica men's national team? But before I dive into the news, people, I have to share the poll that I have done a few minutes ago as it speaks directly to the question Olympic De Marseille forward Mason Greenwood is set to play for Jamaica. Is this a great look for the Reggae Boyz? So far, 23 votes, 91% stated absolutely, 4% stated not certain, and 4% stated no, ridiculous, with one like. So majority of the fan base of Premier 7 and let's say Reggae Boys football on a whole are in big support to see Mason Greenwood representing the land of wood and water. For me personally, it is a good look, and I won't say I am over the moon, but I am grateful to know that Mason Greenwood has finally decided to say, you know what, England, it's time for me to move on. So, in the mirror, it's stated here by Samuel Mede on the 21st of January 2025 that Mason Greenwood gives up on England recall and switches international allegiance. Mason Greenwood has opted to turn his back on England after it became clear he wouldn't be considered by the Three Lions and will now look to represent Jamaica going forward. Mason Greenwood has decided to close the door on England and has switched his international allegiance to Jamaica. Greenwood made the decision after the FA made it clear he wouldn't be considered for selection again, ending his hopes of adding to his one cap, which he earned back in 2020. The Three Lions stance emerged after Greenwood was suspended by Manchester United, his employers at the time, when he was charged with attempt rape assault occasion actually bodily harm and control and coercive behavior 3 years ago. Now, I mean, we all understand and we know about Mason Greenwood's past, but we can understand then that having been sent on loan to Getafe and currently playing at Olympic de Marseille, this youngster, aged 23, has made massive improvements on his health in regards to mentality, physicality, and any other way you want to put it. Mason Greenwood is a changed person based on what we currently see. So far, this guy is playing very well for Olympic Marseille with 18 matches, 13 goals, 3 assists, and of course, 1 yellow card. People, are you excited about this Mason Greenwood story? Are you grateful that Mason Greenwood has turned his back on England and say, you know what, I'm going to play for Jamaica? If you do, please go ahead to smash a like on this video. Get this video out there so persons can also become engaged with it and support the channel also. And from way of that, I want to speak directly about Mason Greenwood. Will he improve the Jamaica men's national team? What's your thoughts on that? For me, I believe that Mason Greenwood will indeed improve the Jamaica men's national team. Let's say I don't want to go much in depth on this because I have other plans for Mason Greenwood and the Jamaica men's national team. I just want to keep it on the surface here. But based on his current performances for Olympic Marseille, based on his experience in playing for big clubs in big matches, at even the age less than 23, let's say age 20, 21, he was one of those generational talents that, from the naked eye, you could realize that this guy is one of those bright stars. So I know then that it will be easier now for Jamaica to say, all right, we can have somebody who we can rely on to score goals. All right, let me take it back to say then, it is not going to be easy to score goals, but it will be somewhat better off now for Jamaica to have somebody who can score goals and take the pressure off, like say a Michael Antonio, a Boza, a Leon Bailey, a Demarai Gray. And in that case, then we can also say that then Jamaica frontline will be boast and even better. Overall, I am happy to see the news that Mason Greenwood has turned his back on England and switching his allegiance to Jamaica because it has been a long time that we need this news to be on our end. And of course, not only Jamaica front line will be improved, but the overall team will improve. JFF will be happy for this, and you know what? Now they can think about doing their plans as to extending their wings to other persons in the diaspora. So, people, what is your say on Mason Greenwood being welcome to Jamaica in the case of which he has switched his allegiance to representing the land of wood and water? I, for one, believe it is a good look, and by way of that, I want to say it is just a grateful feeling to see that Mason Greenwood has finally made up his mind to play for the national team. And in that case, before I go, people, you know you should drop your comment and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will leave you with one of the classic to represent Mason Greenwood. Welcome to Jamaica. Wake up this morning, waking time to see the sun rising, yeah. Say, man, I give thanks in a real life to the Most High. Because many years passed, I'm still alive, I'm grateful for life.